Hey Scott, this is Tracy Breton calling you back. I just was thinking a few minutes about our conversation relating to your book. And I do have to say, as a professor of journalism at Brown for over 22 years, and having spent 40 years at the Providence Journal, having won a Pulitzer Prize, and I think being an incredibly trustworthy reporter, I find your approach with me rather troubling. I have an email that I found from somebody who works in the English department's office at Brown from about a month ago, saying you were trying to get a hold of me because you were writing a book about the station fire and had no way of contacting me, where if you were to Google me, you would find my picture and CV and everything online at Brown and my Brown email, and I never got an email from you. And I also have a Facebook account and never got a message from you or anything. And I have to say that, you know, waiting till your book's in galleys to call me about something that is so ridiculous and a teeny little detail about something that really is pretty inconsequential is rather disturbing. I mean, I would have thought that while you were reporting this book, you would have called me about something, and maybe if I had found your approach a little less strange, I might have been willing to share more stuff with you that you needed to know for your book, because I think, you know, having covered this case for 10 years while it was going on, I might have been helpful with things that really have nothing to do with my book. But I find it rather odd that you would actually believe that somebody who's a seasoned reporter ever would have done what you said, Kathy Haggerty said, I did about the Dedarian children. And I'm just telling you that if you put that in your book, there will be a problem. Because I'll take it up with a lawyer. Because that's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. I really would never, ever do something like that. It's ridiculous.